Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that we should mention, a lot of you have commented on this in the past couple of days. So we talked about preparation for Windows 10 to Windows 11, and also we talked about Windows 11 24H2. That should be available probably somewhere in September, October, even maybe November of this year, as the Microsoft documentation says late 2024. One of the things that is to note, remember that when the versions change and we go to a new version, so 24H2 will be the next version this fall, it is not sent to everybody first. Remember, there's always that same sequence that Microsoft uses, the sequence of first, going to seekers. Seekers are those that simply go and check for Windows updates, and that is one of the parts where it will be shown for some of you. And of course, if you get the latest updates as soon as they're available on, you're probably going to get it maybe before a lot of other people. The other thing also to note is that it will be sent in waves and will not be sent to everybody all the time first, because there will always be some PCs that maybe have blockers. We know that every new version of Windows, there's always something somewhere that you might need to change or upgrade if you want to have a new version. So that will be something to check out. So it will be very gradual. At first, only a handful of people will get 24H2. And it will take a while before everybody or a lot of people get 24H2 after that. Some people have noted that it took months, several months, before 23H2 became available to a lot of people. So it will be the same for 24H2, and it's always the same for all these new versions of Windows. Microsoft is kind of cautious. It goes slowly. It looks at the telemetry, and it uses that data and, of course, any feedback that people are complaining about to see if it's safe to go forward or not with a new version. So that's one thing to note, that it will be a very gradual way of sending it out. 23H2 is good till October of 2025. So a lot of people will stay on 23H2 for quite a while before. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.